Well, guys, here we are, 3 episodes into our season, and we got a problem. You know it's a problem when it goes zzz. So yeah, we gotta fix that, and I have a bone to pick with Harley. So do y'all remember in the first episode of this season where I told you I haven't really ridden the Sportster S that much in the couple years that I've had it? Well, a bike sitting for that long kills the battery. It just is what it is. It's not a big deal. On most motorcycles, here's what you do. You grab your keys out of your pocket, not behind you. You throw them in the side, you pop the seat off, and oh, there's no battery there. There's a reason for that. Harley decided that the battery for the Sportster S should not be under the seat like most motorcycles. It should be all the way down here. So, first things we gotta do in today's video is swap it out for this Duraboost battery that I grabbed off RevZilla, and then once we get this motorcycle running, we can then go for a ride because I've got some things to complain about. Also, if you're new here, this is WRG, my show where I buy motorcycles, make cool videos on them, and then I give them away to you guys that support the show. If you guys want to win this motorcycle, top link in the description down below. That'll take you to WBRgarage.com where you can get entries to win this very motorcycle. I promise if you win it, it will run. I think I can promise that. Let's get into fixing this motorcycle. Okay. I hate these. They don't get a good grab. Okay, we'll find out if I messed it up soon. All right, Pat, find out if I ruined the battery, or the bike.
No, okay, it powers off. Do you want to see if we go deaf?
No, my pregnant wife is right there. Do you want to make her life even? She's standing right there. Do you want to make her day even worse? No. Okay. God, Pat. Fucking hell. All right, baby, you got a new battery. I need you to crank. All right. God, if it doesn't crank up, that's gonna make my, ooh. She's quick on the up tip there, laddie. Please work. That's what I wanted the entire time. All I wanted for it was to crank up. Also, apparently I'm low on fuel. Thank you, battery gods. Let's go for a motovlog.
The next day.
What's going on, guys? First off, sorry guys, I'm sniffly today. Like, the weather is now getting cool, and my allergies absolutely suck. So, if I'm sniffly today, that is why. But today's going to be a pretty fun day. We're taking the giveaway Sportster S out to a stunt show. A very rare moment. It's been a minute since I've been to a stunt show, but this one's pretty special. So let's head over there because I got to help get set up. To the show. By the way, I don't think you guys understand how low of gas I was when I was rolling into this gas station. The bike literally started cutting out on me because there was so little gas. I'm so bad about it, and this bike does not get great gas mileage. I feel like I'm attracted to bikes with low gas mileage because my MT-10's gas mileage is also absolutely trash. So maybe it's something I look for in a motorcycle. That exhaust is absolutely nuts. Hey, he stopped blowing. That was awesome. So guys, we're headed to WOW for a stunt show, and I figured while we're at WOW, we can show off the giveaway bike and all that kind of stuff. And I've actually got one of the winners for the last season of WBRG coming into town to do it because WOW's doing some like open house thing. So I was like, hey, let's just do the giveaway of our last season's bike. Now, there was 2 winners. Obviously, we had 2 bikes to give away, but one of them is actually going to come today in this video and pick it up. So that's pretty cool. That battery voltage is not looking good. I feel like this bike's going to cut out on me. Yeah, that battery voltage is going way down. There's an issue here. If I keep the RPMs high, it's fine. No, it's not. Okay. That's not great. That makes me feel like the alternator on this bike is not doing good. Yeah, if I rev it to shit, it's almost like it's okay. But even then, I can feel it wanting to die. So what I'm looking for is this voltage meter. Look at that, it drops down to 11. All right, that's not cranking at all. That's not good. That is not good. We will pull into this gas station. Yeah, it's locked up. Bike is totally dead now. Hey, bud. We have a code red on the Sportster S.
Okay. Pat's here.
Hi, gang.
The team's here.
Hey.
Thanks for saving me, everybody. So you guys saw what happened, and we literally installed a brand new battery in this bike yesterday, and it will not crank at all. Oh, the lights are flashing. That's hilarious.
It's not in transport mode.
So I did some research while I was sitting at the gas station that I rolled into. And if we all cut back to the motovlog on the way to me being stranded at a gas station, the battery voltage was going up and down and up and down. And that was correlating with the bike feeling weird. I'm starting to think that it has a bad regulator rectifier because of one blog post that I read. So we're going to continue on to WOW, and we're going to have an awesome day.
We are. Chase is turning himself into a YouTube certified mechanic. Reading
Yes.
a blog post.
I read one blog post, and I have diagnosed the entire motorcycle based on one blog post. But as of today, that's what we're going to move forward with. So all of you guys that were missing old Wreck Bike Rebuild episodes, we're back, baby.
We're back, baby. Welcome to the chaos.
So today is still going to be awesome. The bike, we just started this giveaway season, so we've got plenty of time to fix this thing.
It's very on brand for us.
And it's not on brand for us. We're leaving that up behind. It's going to be a great day. We're going to see stunt people. We're going to give a bike away. It's going to be awesome. And then I'm going to figure out how much a regulator rectifier costs after I take it to Killer Creek Harley Davidson and get them to install it. To the Stunt Show! Made it. We're here at WOW. Winner of season 7 is outside. The guy that won the 450 SS. Super stoked. Dude ended up being from Georgia, so this is fantastic. Do we open these? Okay, all right. Can I crank it up in here? How's it locked? How do you know, Dan? Motorcycle coming through, motorcycle coming through. almost right past you. Motorcycles. It's yours. Take it. I don't want it anymore.
Oh my goodness. I can't believe I won it. I really can't. I've never won anything like this.
No way. Well, that's an awesome first step.
Yeah, no kidding. That's incredible. Wow.
So when did you sign up for the giveaway?
I'll say August.
Okay. What was there a certain episode that like got you curious to do it?
This episode.
Oh wait, the exhaust episode?
No, this. Riding around on this episode.
Okay, gotcha.
Right after you did all the updates.
Yeah.
I was like, well, that's cool.
Okay.
I'll just go try it. What's it gonna hurt?
Yeah. That's awesome.
Do you remember how many entries you got?
I just did the $5 a month.
10 entries.
I couldn't believe it. I thought he called me and I thought it was a joke. I was like, what are you talking about?
That's awesome. So that goes to show you. So the last season's winner, he had max entries and he won. So this is the literal polar opposite of season 6. You had the bare minimum entries you could get and you won the damn motorcycle. How awesome. There you go. That just shows you it's totally random. So
wow.
That's cool, man. Well, I hope you have a fantastic time on it. I really appreciate the support. If it wasn't for people that signed up and stuff, we wouldn't be able to give bikes away, so we appreciate it.
Wow. I can't believe it. I really can't.
Yeah, that's awesome, man. So we got the key there for you. So that's yours. And then I got a title and stuff. We'll sign that stuff, and then it's all you.
Okay.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you for the support.
I just can't believe it. This is incredible.
There you go. You can win a motorcycle with 10 entries that we give away for free.
All right.
Wow.
Cool, man. So guys, it is the next day from that big meetup, and if you guys can tell, the Sportster S is not currently in the garage right now. What ended up happening is because the bike was totally dead, I asked WOW Motorcycles if I could just leave the bike there, and luckily they were cool of me just like rolling the bike inside and letting it chill in there. Because that way I don't have to rent a U-Haul and try to get the bike back. Because at this point, I don't know, does the bike need to come back here and I fix it? Do I need to take it to my local dealer? I've got to figure all that stuff out. And unfortunately, that is not something you can really do on a Sunday afternoon or a Monday afternoon, because all motorcycle dealers are closed on Monday. So I've got to call around, figure out if this is a problem they've heard of before, and you know what my next steps are to fix it. And unfortunately, this is where we're leaving this video. I wish I could tell you guys what the next steps are or how we're going to fix it. But hopefully we can find that out in the next episode. Or I guess we will have to figure that out in the next episode, because can't make any other content with the bike without it. So yeah, guys, this is where we're going to leave it. Congrats to the winners of last season. We've got one bike shipped off, and obviously we got to give away one at the meetup, so that was really cool. And this is the struggles of bike builds. Stuff happens, and you got to figure it out. And don't worry, we will get it figured out. We will get the bike given away. It will be awesome. Right now, it doesn't feel as awesome because the bike's, you know, dead. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. If you got to this point, outro crew, let me know in the comments down below. What do you think is wrong with the Sportster S? Can't wait to read your comments. All right, guys. You guys go out there and ride safe. And I'll see you on the next one, where hopefully we have a running Sportster S. Later, guys.
Go on then, get in there.
Get in there, Lewis. Get in there, Lewis. Get in there, Lewis. Get in there, Lewis. Go on, get in there, Lewis. Get in there, Lewis.
Get in there, Chase.
Chase. Go on, lad.
Get in there, Lewis. This is that moment where, you know, like, I know Chris montages this, so there's a good chance he might not listen to it, but if he listens to this, and we're just sitting here like, get in there, Lewis.
Go on.
Chris could be like, what in the fuck? Also going to the outro.